Hi guys, today I will explain how to auto-cut in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and it's one of the best features of Clipchamp. Using this feature, you can auto-cut the silent part in your video without any effort. You just have to click on the auto-cut and AI will cut all the parts for you. So for this, open your application and import your video by clicking on the option Import, and once the importing will be done, take your mouse cursor on the video and click on the plus icon to add this in your timeline. The last thing is you have to do, take your mouse cursor on this easy suggestion and click on it. And here you can see the option of how to remove pauses and filler words. Just click on it. The first thing is you have to choose the language which you are using in your video. The next thing is you can also filter some words. Once you've done everything, click on the option Transcribe, and then it will start. And as you can see now, it's analyzing the footage once everything will be done. It will show all the silent part and will cut everything. Currently, it's saying no because I edit this video and cut out all the silent parts. So that's way nothing here. But if you have in your video, then it will show. And it was the way by which you can use AutoCut in Clipchamp